Hello, hello, hello. Happy Wednesday, wonderful Wednesday. It's cold today. I spit a little bit, I'm sorry, y'all. If any of y'all seen that. Excuse me. Yes, today is Wednesday. I'm on my way back to work. I pulled out my burgundy hoodie. And I also have these. Every time I tell y'all I'm going to come back and show y'all my outfit of the day, I always forget. Or I don't have anybody to actually take a picture. So what I'm going to do this time, I'm going to take my shoe off. Okay, this is the shoe I'm wearing along with. Wearing this shoe, which is some Pumas. This is the limited edition Pumas with the collaboration with MAC. I got a video on this, like unboxing or review or whatever. Yeah, it's actually nice, and it has like the little lipstick mark on the side of it. It's a suede shoe. This is actually called Sin. And actually I have the MAC Sin lipstick. This is just a special packaging. That's just a special packaging. And that's the color of it, as you see on my lips. Yeah, that's what I'm wearing today. Earlier today I had a ponytail, but I curled my hair and threw the hat back on. But let me put this shoe back on so I can get rolling. Head on back. Head on back. I hardly ever wear these shoes. One, I really don't feel like, okay, let me leave. Let me pull out this driveway, y'all. Anyway, but I hardly ever wear these shoes because this is a different type of shoe for me. I usually wear like Nikes, and this shoes to me is more, it's not as bulky as the type of Nikes that I wear. So therefore I feel like these shoes make my feet look big or long. So I hardly ever wear them. To me, they look okay with skinny legs, but I don't know. Like I said, I hardly ever wear them. I need to start wearing them more. I think this is probably like maybe my third time wearing them, and I done had these shoes over a year. Yeah. So, like I said, I'm on my way back. You know, I look at a lot of YouTube videos, and I think that's my problem, and that's the reason why I'm not getting my videos out in a timely fashion, because I'm so busy looking at everybody else's YouTube channel or videos where I'm not actually doing the work myself. I say all that to say this. What YouTube channels are y'all watching? What are your favorite YouTubers? You know, when you see them post a video, you instantly have to watch. You know, I think mine is Latoya Forever. Now they're calling themselves the Alleys. Glamazante. CJ So Cool. I think everybody watches CJ. But yeah, I watch CJ So Cool, Glamazante, the Alleys, or like I said, Latoya Forever. Who else am I watching? Shoes, I can't even remember. And I watch a lot of YouTube. I be on YouTube all day. Or I will be on YouTube all day if my people post videos. But Glamazante got 2 channels. She actually got like a vlogging channel, and she got like a beauty channel. I just recently started following her girlfriend's father, which his name is Don Weezy. His daughter is Courtney Williams. She's in the WNBA is what I'm trying to say. So yeah, I've been watching their channel he don't really post that much because he's a new YouTuber. Who else am I watching? I don't know. Like I said, I watch a lot of people. I still watch like coupon videos, you know, like sales and deals. I watch Greg, that dude. I watch his stuff every once in a while. I don't look at his deals. I just kind of go on his page when he's live. But for his like coupon deals, I don't really watch those because I don't really coupon that much anymore. So yeah. Of course, I look at T.S. Madison. I look at her stuff. I don't know. Like I said, I look at a whole lot of stuff. What y'all watching on YouTube? Put that down at the bottom. Your top 3 favorite YouTubers. I hope y'all list me as one. But yeah. But anyway, y'all, I put a little makeup on today. Like I said, I have Sin lipstick on. I put just a little powder on. I got Makeup Forever Matte Duo powder. I think in the number 14, I think. Yeah, I think this is the number 14, which is discontinued now, which sucks because I love this. I love this powder. This Makeup Forever, now I don't know if they still is, but back in the day, they were known as a swimmer makeup. I forgot what you call those swimmers that be doing the aqua dancing and all that stuff in the water. I don't know their names or what they call them. But this was the type of makeup that they wore that's supposed to be waterproof. It don't supposed to smear or smudge, you know, in water or none of that. Now, I don't know if that's true or not. I don't know. But back when they first came out, that's how they were marketing. That's how they were saying that their makeup is. I don't know if it's true or not. But this foundation, you could use it dry or wet. And of course, I wear it dry. And then after that, I just spray a setting powder. So, which gives me a little coverage. And then around the perimeter of my face, I used the Fenty bronzing powder. Of course, you can still buy that from Sephora. I think it's like $35, I believe. Yeah, in caramel something. I forgot the name of it. Caramel something. But I got a video. If you look through my videos, you will find that. Yeah, I like it. I don't really wear makeup like I should because I got tons of makeup. So, yeah, and a lot of it is still brand new because I don't really do a lot. I don't go nowhere to even make my face up. I need to start doing makeup videos just to practice. You know, the more you practice, the better you become. So yeah. Yep. My makeup actually looks really good when I look at the screen. Man, my skin care. God dog, y'all. My skin has gotten so much clearer or better. My skin is actually looking really good, in my opinion. I think it looked good. I feel like since I really been on my skincare, the dark spots is starting to light up. One thing, I've been using that vitamin C by Lancome, I think that's the name. It was on the little Ulta 21 Days of Beauty deal, and I bought that, and I don't think I like that. I don't know if it was just because of the other stuff that I was using with it, but it kind of broke my face out a little bit. That's one thing with skincare. Everything has to go together, because if you got one thing, it can mess up your whole stuff. It can mess up everything. And I think that's what that stuff did. So what I said I was gonna do is, I'm still gonna use my Origin, but I'm not gonna use the Origin moisturizer. Instead, I'm gonna use a serum, just a regular oil when I put that stuff on, because I gotta use it. I spent like $35 on it, so I have to use it. And once you open it, the vitamin C stuff, once you open the container, it only lasts for 30 days. And I think mine been open for a week, so I need to use it. It came with 2 bottles, so yeah. So yeah, you know, I was supposed to go home and edit some of the videos, but instead I stopped at Walmart, and I should have been recording, but I wasn't. But I stopped at Walmart because I ran across a deal yesterday online, and because it was raining a little bit yesterday, I didn't want to go. So I went this morning. They had these tables. I'll insert a picture. They had these tables. They were like fold-up tables, and they came with like 4 fold-up stools. And it was $13. Regular price was $50. So yeah, I decided to go and get those. And I could not remember what other deals. I couldn't remember the other deals that I wanted to do at Walmart for the life of me. I could not remember. So I just got 3 of those tables and just said whatever. But I know it was something else I wanted from Walmart, but I don't know. I actually was looking for one deal that I knew I was looking for, but it's not on sale in my area. Was this 28-inch, I think it's a carry-on suitcase. Regular price $75, and it was on clearance for $20, I believe. And it was one of those hard suitcases, but I couldn't find it in my area. Well, actually, it's not on sale in my area, so I didn't even work with that. What else was it? I can't remember the other stuff. I can't remember the other stuff, but yeah. Like I always say, thank you for watching my videos. Welcome to my channel, to all my new subscribers. And what's up to all my OG subscribers? I appreciate everyone, whether you subscribe or not. I appreciate everyone that look at my videos. Thank you. Tip. My tip of the day. Make sure you watch my entire video. Please. Stay to the end. You never know. The end might say something about a giveaway. Who knows? But stay to the end. Also, don't forget to subscribe to all my people who's just popping in, looking at my videos, and then clicking back out of them. Please subscribe. If you don't watch my videos more than once or more than twice, and you keep coming back to my videos, you might as well subscribe. So please subscribe. Leave me some comments at the bottom, and I'll see y'all in the next one. Peace.